was easy.
All right, so here at Whitney Portal, came up on Friday. Today's October 19th, 2018, and just picked up my permit and came up to Whitney Portal Campground, and gonna sleep up here. And tomorrow, go and summit that bad boy, which I'm really looking forward to. I did this 2 years ago, and been jonesing to get back on this mountain, and really looking forward to it. So it's gonna be cold. I think a high of 20 tomorrow, but I'm excited. So it's just after 4:30, Saturday, October 20th, 2018, and I'm starting out on the Mt Whitney Trail, and haven't seen anybody yet, but it's beautiful out. I can see all the stars. It's crazy. It's October and there's still water going through here. That's sketchy trail. Okay. Still water going through. Hour and 15 minutes in, made it to Lone Pine Lake. I think I'm at about 2.5 miles. Still completely dark. Been hiking for an hour and a half, and I'm at the outpost meadow at the moment. The sun's starting to come up. It's pitch black, you can't see anything still. It's like, why am I even filming? Sun is coming up, and I'm about to get a crazy sunset. There's Whitney in the background, and there's a lake here. I don't know the name. I think it's Outpost Lake. You can't camp here, but it's a pretty lake. Wow, look at that. Sun's about to come over. Gorgeous. So I'm just reaching trail camp, and it's only been 3 hours, and I'm at trail camp, so I think that's pretty good. About 6 miles in, and really curious to see what the switchbacks are going to be like. So stay tuned. Still going up the switchbacks here. Got my crampons on and trekking poles, and doing pretty good. Very secure with the crampons. And there's Whitney over there. That one right there. Almost to the Sequoia National Park boundary. Almost there. Nearing the top of the switchbacks, and everything's going very well. Got my micro spikes on, so I'm pretty strapped in. Love these things. I've never used them before. I've never used trekking poles either, and I think I'll be using these from now on. Gosh, makes everything so easy. But you can see my view. I mean, it's phenomenal. It is phenomenal. Almost to the pass, which is here. I think it's Whitney Pass, and that leads to Sequoia National Park. And then I think in about an hour and 10 minutes, I'll be on Whitney.
That was easy.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Woo!
Woo, woo, woo!
All right.
Easy.
Yeah, I mean,
There's the hut.
day hike.
Oh, it's the same. Extreme danger. What time is it? 11. 11:15. Must have passed away. Sick. Leaving the top of Mount Whitney, heading back. Great trek up here. This weather, I can't believe the weather is this good for the end of October. Just gorgeous. But time to hike back. Probably take me about 5 hours. Should be a good trek. Into the finish line. Woo. Good hike.